Hey guys, PepperAmmy here, and this week we are going to be taking a look at Scoby Fruit Leather. Now, of course, you can not add the Scoby just for normal fruit leather. It will turn out basically the same. The Scoby just kind of bulks out the fruit that you have and basically gives you a double batch. Now, for this you want roughly equal amounts of fruit and Scoby. I use 3 cups of each, and you can use fresh or frozen fruit. It won't actually really make much of a difference apart from maybe how it turns out in the cooking process. Now, to start this, you want to heat your fruit with a few spoonfuls of sugar over medium heat. Now, as I'm using 3 cups of fruit, I did go for a 1/4 cup of sugar. Now, once the fruit has softened and is gone juicy and kind of mushy, you want to set it aside to cool. Now, if you are going to be adding Scoby, you want roughly the same amount as fruit, and you want to add this to a blender to get a paste roughly the consistency of an applesauce. You may need to add some water or extra kombucha to help with the blending process. Now, once the Scoby is nicely blended, simply add the fruit mixture and give it a quick blend to just fully combine everything, and then spread it out on an oven sheet if you're going to dehydrate it in the oven, or a dehydrator tray. I went quite thick with mine, but remember, as it dehydrates it is going to lose a lot of the moisture and get a lot thinner than you think it will, but I like a bit of thickness to my fruit leather. Additionally, you can add some fresh spices over the top. I chose to use some nutmeg and some sumac, but you can use anything you want, like ginger and whatnot, anything that you think would go nicely with your selection of fruit. Now, after 12 to 24 hours, it should be nice and dry, but still kind of tacky to the touch. And this is the point where you want to try and peel it off your dehydrator tray or your silicone drying mat, and then all we want to do is cut it up into portion sizes. I used scissors because that was great for mine, and then I just rolled them up, and I've got them in a little tub at the moment. Now, I know this seems like a running theme at the moment for another late video, but since the coronavirus thing, work has gone crazy. I work in a food warehouse, and I normally do 1 day a week. And this week I was supposed to be working 4 days, and as far as I know, I'm working every day next week, so I'm not too sure what's going to happen to next Friday's video, but hopefully I will have something sorted out, even if it is just something quick and simple. But I will try my best to get a video out for Friday, and pretty much the only reason why this video is actually going up today is because my shift got cancelled due to no staff. So yeah. We kind of have that to be thankful for, but I'm hoping that doesn't snowball onto a shift tomorrow. If I'm working tomorrow, I don't even know that yet. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this very short video, and I shall see you all next week, hopefully. Thanks for watching.